our grid layout for our design. Select a frame of desktop, and we're going to rename this as our portfolio. Then we'll come here, we'll add columns, we'll update to 8 count, and also the margin to 40. So we'll add this to our design system, and 8 columns. I'll create that. So quickly, we're going to detach the main content from the wireframe and keep it somewhere around here so that we'll have a clearer picture of what we're doing. So let's take this here and bring somewhere around here. Right. So we're going to start with the navigation frame. So the navigation frame is taking about 370% of the entire width. So we're going to select another frame of the same height. Height is going to be 1024. Then the width, we're going to make it 370. I will rename this as the nav bar. Then from the global colors, we give it this background of our card's color. So this will stay by the left. Alright, so now we'll create another frame again that is going to serve as a content frame, which is this one. So this is going to be 1070 by width. Then the height, we can continue to increase it based on the content we have, but the width matters now. Then we name this as content. So this is where all our content goes in. So now we have this, and inside this we are going to create another layout grid. So here we make this column to be 6 count, and we're going to make this 40 as well. Then we add it into our design system as 6 columns. Alright, so now we're done with the 3 frames that we need, and also our layout grids that we need. So in the next tutorial, we're going to continue from where we stop. See you in the next lecture.